Morning guys, Monday 2nd of January 2023. Thanks for clicking back on the channel guys. Before I start doing this video, okay, properly, my missus is gonna absolutely kill me, right? Last night she said, oh, should we go to Elm tomorrow and B&Q and things, because she wants to do a bit in the house. Aye, I said, no problem. Because I'm working nights tonight, see, right, so it's going to be a short window anyway. So I said, aye, no problem, I said. So I sneakily packed all my stuff last night, crept out to the bedroom this morning, grabbed a tin of sausage and beans from the kitchen and a MYLAR bag. I haven't even put it into the MYLAR bag yet. I'll show you how to do that now. And I've snuck out of the house, so I've come up to the forest, right, because I want to show you I want to show you a modification I've done to my BIVVY bag. But she's gonna kill me, boys. She's gonna kill me. Speak to you in a bit. I haven't even brushed my teeth this morning guys, I just snuck out, look. He who dares wins. So what I'm going to show you today guys, I'm going to put a hammock up now and I'm going to show you a modification I've done to my British Army BIVVY bag. Ideal for hammock camping, okay? Absolutely superb for rapid egress as well. I'll get this up now, right? Too shiny. Whee! Perfect guys. Perfect. Plenty of cover as well there, see? Ground cover. This is why this is such a good option in the winter, because you're off the cold ground, okay? And if I was camping out tonight, I'd put a sleeping pad in the hammock as well, just for a bit of added insulation from the bottom. I've done a video to show you how to do an enclosed tarp for hammock camping in the winter, and I've shown you how to do a thermal cover using a whoopee. I'll put up in the card section here, okay? Something I would suggest for hammock camping, especially if you're stealth camping guys, alright? It doesn't make so much difference if you're wild camping, but if you're stealth camping and you need a quick egress, just in case somebody clocks you, okay? Use a sleeping bag with a zip down the centre, not on the side. Okay, so this is my bouncing bomb Arctic sleeping bag I've brought out today, and this will be my sleep system in a hammock in winter time for stealth camping, okay? Right, before I carry on, okay, I'm going to put a little video up that I did prior to making the modification to my BIVVY bag, okay? Just so you can get just of the idea what I did. Okay, I'll put it up now, then I'll carry on. So here's the BIVVY bag, that's the top of it. So the zip goes on the top of the bivvy bag, and the zip goes on the outside, not on the inside of the bag. There's a tie up toggle there, you tie up around your shoulders. So you have to cut through the centre, all the way down. Because it's awkward to get into, I'm thinking if you put a zip in there, it'd be a lot easier. So that's the top of the bivvy bag. Because as you can see, hold on, Lily's standing on it. Lily, get off a minute. See, there's the hood. So that's the underside, that's the top. I'd like to have the zip going down the centre of the top. Okay, so as you've probably seen, Lily Boo is making herself comfy on top. So what I've done, guys, I borrowed the sewing machine off Susan again, and I've sewn the zip down the centre, not down the side, which is also a good modification. But I wanted, because I've now got two bivvy bags, as you would have seen on my last video, I've now got two bivvy bags. So this now will be my hammock sleeping bag, and it will pair up with my bouncing bomb, which also has a zip down the middle. Let's take a look. Right, so when I was putting my sleep system into the hammock, guys, that's all I've done is use a twig arm end and a twig arm end just to give me room to widen it out, okay? Sorry guys, the sun is shining that way, right? Let's get out the sunlight. So as you can see now, I got my Gore-Tex British Army sleeping bag, bivvy bag, and I've got my British Army Arctic sleeping bag inside. And as I said, they both zip down the centre. Right, so for stealth camping, not that hammock camping is ideal for stealth camping, but for quick egress, even if you was laying on the deck, okay, it's just zip them down and you're out. So when the bouncing bomb is opened up, you're looking like this. Easy to get into, easy to get out of. Does that make sense to you guys? You know, you'd have a bit of a job to get into a Gore-Tex sleeping bag if you didn't have a zip down the front. It just makes sense. And I gotta be honest guys, it took me about 20 minutes to cut down the centre of the bivvy bag, get the sewing machine out, line the zip up with the pins as you've seen on the video with Lily Boo, and then just get to work. It took about 20 minutes. I cut the cords because they joined with two toggles on each end. So whereas they were joined in the centre, not that the hoods, sorry, I'm talking about this, I'm talking about the bivvy bag. See, I just cut it down the centre and put a toggle on each end, the other end. Hold on guys, bear with. It's there somewhere, right? It's on the other end. So there you go. So I'm going to get inside now and show you how much easier it is, okay? Especially to get out of, right guys? You know, obviously it's going to be a bit of a potch to get in, but to get out of, you're like shit off a stick. There you go, look guys, right? Some toasty warm already. Only been in there 2 seconds. I'm waterproofed. Just presuming now, I know it's not raining tonight. It's not that cold, so I don't need a tarp. I could just set up like this. And if I need to get out for a pee, just slip it down the middle, zip the bouncing bomb down the middle, and I'm out. Right, so I'm going to show you something now we used to do back in the army in the day. Another use for the bivvy bag, okay? Back in a minute. Right, so what you do, guys, right? Here's your burr gun, obviously. I got my gonk bag, green maggot, bouncy bomb, whatever you want to call it here, okay? I want a ground sheet to keep everything dry. And here's my bivvy bag, this new modification. So this is something we used to do back in the day. We used to use our bivvy bag as a burr gun liner. You just stuff it in. Then your gonk bag goes in. And up. So everything that was waterproof. You know, you put out the kit in as well. Anyway, so you can use your bivvy bag, guys, as a burr gun liner, okay? Takes up no space. Ideal. 100% waterproof. Okay. Right, so I've set my little table up now, semi bending over, putting strain on my back. I'm going to show you now how I fill my MYLAR bags, okay? So I've got my MYLAR bag, guys. I've got a straw. And I got something I swiped out of the kitchen cupboard this morning. So I got my contents in the MYLAR bag, okay? I'm just going to seal it up 3/4 of the way across using my straw. Put in the open corner. Suck all the air out. That's ready to go now in my mess tin. While that's heating up now, I'm just going to show you my burr gun quickly. So here's my British Army short back burr gun. I'm just going to show you something now. So I've got my camel back, so there's all my water. There, look guys, so all I've done is strapped it onto the burr gun. 3 straps, that's on the burr gun. So I've taken one of the rocket pockets off. That's a rocket pocket there. Not trying to teach anyone to suck eggs, but just in case you didn't know, that's called a rocket pocket, if you were wondering. My mess tins goes in there with my spork, or my racing spoon, what it's called. So on this side I got my 2.5 litre camelback with water, and there's a pipe that zips up in there, and that's where I get my water from. Some people don't like drinking through plastic. Doesn't bother me. I put worse stuff in my body. So it goes on there, look. So I'm using the same boiling water I used to boil up my meal for my coffee, okay? So there you go, piping hot breakfast. Protein and carbs. Right guys, I'm just going to finish this brew, then I'm going to go home and face the music. Thanks for watching if you stuck with the video all the way through. Don't forget, go back to my last video, there's a free giveaway on there, 2,000 subscriber giveaway. The draw is tomorrow at night, so that'll be Tuesday night at 1900 hours. So I'm going to finish this, face the music. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one. She's gonna kill me. She is gonna kill me.